The clutch is slipping and computer peeping that it feeling that the clutch is slipping. And abracadabra. Not beeping. Not beeping. And what it was the reason? Now I will show you. So exactly in this car, check it. The disc is not excellent, but it's working condition. It must working, but it was sleeping. And what is the reason? Look at this. The pressure plate is bended. This. Check it. See? It's not straight. It's bended. Why it happens? Really, I don't know. We'll check it. So what happens? Someone changed it 50,000 before, but you see it a lot of grease. It grease like not grease, like oiled grease. This not must be like this. It must be dry. Oh, you see inside with aluminum, it's like glue. Oh, this not okay. And the pressure plate, I clean it with high pressure air, and you see it not cleaned. This, it's greased. It's not dry. It's like glue. It's greased. This no grease, and this greased. On also from this side, it's not dry. So what I think that some of grease put here, not put, it come in here, and it starts slipping. And when it starts slipping, the computer start to more pressing the clutch actuator to that this adjustment will start working, and it start working. Yes, now I will show it was working. It's no problem. Look at this. The teeth, maybe it jumped to 10 teeth. Oh, you see? It must be on start position. No, not on start position, but it more than half. So it's worked. So this is the self-feed mechanism. But it shouldn't be there. It should be 5 teeth, but no more. And it jumped. This is the start position. You see where it jumped? And maybe this is the reason that the oil or grease came to this surface, it starts slipping, it start adjust the pressure plate, adjust, and it start bended. This is what I think. Now I will restart to start position, and we will see. Пам-пам-пам, пам-пам-парам, пам-пам-пам-пам. Опа. Опа. Опа, опа, опа. Чик. О. О. Что это такое? Ага. О. Опа. So it's really the pressure plate. It's damaged. It's still bended. You see, and it's has no any clearance right here. It's not okay. It's to garbage. Really.